In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a timer for a specific app on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on Screen Time. In Screen Time, you have to tap on App and Website Activity. And then you have to turn on App and Website Activity first of all. Once it's successfully turned on, here under Limit Usage, you find here App Limits, tap on that. And here just tap on Add Limit. And then here you have to select categories. So for example, I want to limit for my Facebook app. So the Facebook app is social media app. So I have to expand social category. And here I have to select the Facebook app. So that's how. Select the app and tap on Next. And here, go ahead and select duration. For example, I want to use Facebook daily 1 minute. So here I'm selecting only 1 minute and tap on Customize Days. And here you can just go ahead and customize days just like this. Tap on Back and tap on Save. And now if I open my Facebook app, I can only use Facebook 1 minute per day, and then after 1 minute my Facebook app will be automatically exit. So that's how you can actually do it.